Carry guns are tools that require a bit more meticulous maintenance than recreational firearms. Here are some things I look for when taking care of mine. Cartridges headspace on the case mouth in semi-automatic pistols. It's a good idea to stick a brush in there and twirl it around to make sure that you get all of the crud out of that lip in order to make sure that the case mouth has a clean surface to space against. All modern semi-automatic pistols have safety mechanisms that have to work perfectly in order for the gun to fire reliably. Things like making sure that the firing pin, in this case the striker, is moving back and forth freely, and that the firing pin disconnector is moving back and forth freely in the slide in order to make sure that it works. The innards of the mechanism are where dust and grime will collect. It's a good idea, after you clean it, to also go a little bit further and take a Q-tip and go into these areas and clean them out to make sure that you get all of the residual crud out of the system. These guns are pretty resilient, but every little bit helps. And when your life depends on it, it matters. And finally, put the parts back where they belong. Right? Pushing so that things come back in. And always test to make sure it functions. Unlike recreational firearms, these things are tools. It's a very good idea to keep on a maintenance schedule and inspect everything every time you do.